Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to use input function in Python. So first of all, you try to understand what is the use of input function. As you already know that equals to sign is used to assign the value to the variable during the program coding. But when you execute the program and sometimes you required a new value during the execution of the program, so in this case you cannot change the value of the variable. To avoid this, we use input function which allow the users to enter the value during the execution of the program as per our requirement. That means we can change the value of our variable as per our requirement when we execute the program, because input statement asks for the value during the execution of the program, so we don't have to assign the value during the coding. So let us see how we use the input statement. First of all, you open the Python window. This is my Python IDLE, that means Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Now click on file and click on new file option. This is our script mode. Now suppose here I am going to do a program to find the average of three numbers. Suppose I have used here x equals to 50, y equals to 40 and z equals to 30. Average equals to, so what you see here, x plus y plus z by 3. Here you have assigned 50 to the variable x, 40 to the variable y and 30 to the variable z. Now you save this program. Suppose I am going to save it P7. When you save this program and run it, press F5, or you can click on run and click on run module. So what you have seen here, sorry I have not used here the print statement, so first we use the print statement. Okay, clear? Print, write in invalid. Our Python is a very case sensitive language. Okay, so you write print, print right here the average is. Now I have used it in A. Again you save it, go to the run and click on run module. So what you have seen here, the result is produced. No any value is being asked by the interpreter while running the program. So let us see how we use the input statement. Here I will write int, that means in x integer type of value will be inputted. Input, enter any number. Okay, double closing. After that you use here same statement int. It is up to you which type of value you are using, either int or input. Float, input, enter second value. After that you close it. Now at last what we have to do, int input, enter third value. Now you save it and press F5. So enter any number. Here you can see during the execution of the program the value is asked by the compiler. So you write 50 40 and give 60. So what you have seen here, average is 60. This is the use of our input statement. Okay, now again you run it, so new value will be asked. So as many times you run the program, every time new value will be asked. Okay, but what was happening while we assign the value to the variable while coding the program, once the value is assigned, every time it will execute the same value, but in input statement it will ask for a new value every time. Suppose here 25, 35 and 40. So what you have seen here, this is your average. Clear? So one thing you keep in your mind, why I have used here input, why I have used here int statement. Okay, student, one thing you must keep in your mind, while if you don't use the int statement, just you can see here. Okay, I am going to remove the int. Clear? What I am going to here do, removing the int. Clear? Then after you will see the effect. Okay, again save it, F5. Suppose I have done some mistake, you remove the double brackets, because जितना ब्रैकेट बंद होता है उतना ही, जितना ओपन होता है उतना ही क्लोज किया जाता है. चलिए एंटर. 45, 30, 25. what you have seen, 45, 30 and 25. it means what, these values are considered as text, considered as character, number as a text. So concatenation is done here. That means as text, these numbers are joined together. So I mean to say that when you don't use the int value, any value you will enter, it will be considered as a text or a string. So no any calculations can be performed. So to convert the number in numeric value in integer, you have to use int or float with input statement. So you like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thanks. Have a nice day.